Presenting the Qubo wireless smart security system with intruder alarm system, full HD camera, smart sensors, and emergency call alert. It comes with smoke as it instantly notifies you if smoke is detected. It has security against fire. It also features smart home devices and many more. It also lets you control all your Qubo devices through one simple and easy. The delivery box contains smart indoor camera, power adapter, and quick start guide. Reset pin, warranty card, and smoke sensor. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.